Hello? Hey. Um, you doing okay? Uh-huh. No. It's fine, it's fine. I just figured I'd check up on you. I noticed that you were standing in the rain, and I kind of figured that you were in one of two boats. Either you're a hopeless romantic, or you're just having a rough day. And as I stand closer now, I see you. Seems like you had a rough day, huh? Yeah. I don't know. Just one of those days. Yeah. Listen, I know I just met you, but come under my umbrella. I'd hate to get you sick while you stand here talking to me. So, yeah, just come in. That's it. It's okay. I don't mind if you get me wet out. It's raining anyways. This umbrella is purely to get the water out of your head, I guess. Yeah. No, you're not a bother. You're not bothering anyone. You're not bothering me. I'm just simply a curious guy who's checking in on you. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, so what's been going on, if you don't mind me asking? What's got you feeling this way? Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It really does seem like it's been one of those days. um no, I have this feeling that I know what you're going through. And I only can say that comfortably because I've been there too. I've been down in the slumps when life is already so rough and it decides to turn around and kick you in the shins anyways. Next thing you know, you're out in the rain by yourself. No, I've been there. And look, I know we just met, but I really do believe that I've gone through something similar with what you're going through right now, and I just want to say that you're gonna be okay. There is better days ahead, and what you're feeling right now is completely normal. You're giving yourself time to feel the way things are coming to you. It's good to acknowledge these feelings and accept them for what they are, because it will allow you to move on. It's the first step that matters most, right? And it doesn't matter if you see no light at the end of this tunnel, just as long as you see your next step. And if you see your next step, just take that next step, and it'll be okay eventually. Yeah. Listen, I'm about to go to the cafe. I was actually on the way to grab a coffee. Um, why don't you join me? Get something warm, toasty, maybe in a hot chocolate. It'll be on me. And let's sit down and we talk a bit more about it, hey? Yeah, I get it. Why is a stranger like me being so kind to you? Truth is, I don't know. Not too sure. But if I had to put a pin on it, it's because I see a little bit of myself in you. And I know that if I had someone like myself now, when I needed it back then, it would have made the world of a difference. So yeah, just come join me. Come on. How can you say no to hot chocolate? Right? It's cold, it's raining, it's thundering. This is the perfect weather to sit inside a nice cozy place and have a nice warm beverage. Trust me, it'll do you good.